Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Florenda Rasay. I am 41 years old. My height is 154 centimeter and 52 kilograms. I am college graduate, 2 years hotel and restaurant management. I do not have any work experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I have work experience as a domestic helper in Kuwait from 2010-2016. There are 3 members in the family, 1 adult and 2 children. I do household work, house cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing of clothes, taking care of the kids, and also have experience in Saudi Arabia as a cleaner from 2018 to 2024, 6 years in 1 company. Ma'am, sir, I am willing to take care of newborn babies, children 1 year old and above. I am willing to do cooking, gardening, car washing. I am willing to share job with another Filipino or Indonesian helper. I am willing to share group with other family members or another helper. I can also sing a lullaby or nursery rhyme, song for the baby and or kids. Like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. I hope, ma'am and sir, you will hire me. Thank you.